everybody, my name is Vedaa Divakaran and today I will be showing you two very fun science experiments. So for the first science experiment, we will need a plate with water on top of it with pepper, and then we will need a Q-tip with dishwash liquid on top. If you don't have dishwash liquid, that is fine. You can just put it in a soap bar. So now let us put the Q-tip in the water. As you can see, some of the pepper may have sink down, that is fine. But the pepper that was on top was moving away when I put the Q-tip inside. That was because when I added the dishwash liquid into the water surface, the tension of the water is lowered. So normally the water budges up a little bit, like what you see when you look at a water drop. So when the surface tension is lowered, the water wants to spread out. So as the water flattens on the dish, the pepper is floating on top of the water, is carried, and the water is carried out to the outer edge of the plate as if like magic. So now let us take our next experiment, for which we will need 2 lemons. If you can't find 2 lemons, that is perfectly fine. We can just use one. And now we will have to take our glass. This glass is with normal water. This glass has 2 tablespoons of salt. And now we will need a spoon. So let us put the lemon into the glass with normal water. As you can see, it is sinking. It is not floating. So now let us transfer this lemon to the other glass. So in this glass, it is floating. It is not sinking. That is because when in this glass number 1, the density of the lemon was higher than the density of the water, so the lemon was sinking down. But in this glass, as we added salt to the water, the density of the water increased. It is higher than the density of the lemon, which is why the lemon was floating. And that is the end of our science experiments. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.